Hello, everybody. This is a Lamley showcase slash unboxing because I have so much to show you from Tomica today. I have two boxes that arrived in the last month from Japan Booster, my friends over there. There's a link to their store down below, and you definitely want to follow it today. I'll get to that in just a second. One box came in October. I meant to feature it. I haven't gotten to it, but I'm getting to it today with a box that just arrived today with the November batch of Tomica Limited Vintage models in it. And in there was not only these four that we'll get to, but this very cool larger scale 143 Lamborghini, which we'll showcase as well. So lots to get to, but this is what I really want to show you. But before you do, that link down below is relevant, especially if you're watching this video when it first comes out. It is Friday, Black Friday, the day after Thanksgiving. All kinds of die-cast deals, including at Japan Booster. This is the only sale they do every year on Tomica Limited Vintage and anything else in the store. The entire store is on sale for the next couple of days, 3 to 20%, I think. That means the stuff that you're going to want once you see it. Plus the damaged box sale, which starts and ends pretty much within 5 minutes of 5 o'clock Pacific time today. If you're watching this video weeks after this, I'm sorry, not relevant anymore. But it's the damaged box sale. It means if a box came damaged, a little dent here and there, maybe a crease in the box, then Japan Booster saves those for this sale. Models still mint, but the box might be a little damaged. If that's not a big deal to you, it definitely isn't to me. This is the best deal in diecast because these are not cheap models, but you can get some really cool stuff for anywhere between 20 and 50% off. These models sell out within minutes, and that we've done this sale, I think, at Japan Booster the last 3 years, and it's been a huge event. And it's happening here in like just a couple of minutes. So be on it, follow that link. And if you don't get to the damaged box, everything else in the store is on sale as well. Capiche, capiche. All right, now let's get to it. Cool Tomica Limited Vintage. Like I said, there were, 5 or 6 models in the October batch and 4 models in the November batch, starting with the Subaru Samba. I'm going to walk through these really, really quickly. I'm sorry, not the Samba, the 360, the first Subaru ever to arrive in the United States. It is the 60th anniversary of the 360. And this cool little model has an opening engine in the back. There's a legend that this car was dumped. It wasn't popular in the United States, so they were literally, instead of sending him back to Japan, they dumped him in LA Harbor, and they're still down there. You can read about that somewhere. Kind of cool. Not cool, but that's the story. Plus the Toyota Crown Royal Saloon, 2 of those brand new casting from Tomica Limited Vintage. Some of these models are well known in Japan, not as much here, but that's what Tomica Limited Vintage is about, is doing stock versions of all of these cool cars in perfect scale. That's why the 360 is so small and the Crown is going to be a little bit bigger. And then also in that batch, the Mazda RX-7, third color of the Mazda RX-7. This is from their special Japanese car era series. 13th car in that series where they're just celebrating Japanese cars. The first colors were yellow and silver in the RX-7. This is the third in red, and then there's other colors coming, I think, in December, and then next year as well. That was the October batch. The November batch is highlighted by the Prince Gloria. Super 6 has a racing heritage as far as I remember. The Gloria, they've already done this era of Gloria, but they wanted to do a better version. So for Tomica Limited Vintage, they want to improve on something. It must have really needed something because the detail on these are incredible. As you can see, 2 colors, brown and light blue in the Prince Gloria. Prince, eventually became Nissan, or Nissan took him over, and that's, I think, there's the Skyline's heritage goes back to Prince. And then 2 more of the Royals of the Toyota Crown Royal Saloon. This is the Saloon G. 2 colors, and that means that there's some difference there. I can't see it right offhand. I guess if I compare them, I'll see them. Enough to merit another model number by Tomica Limited Vintage. Those are all of those. Now, what else came in this box today? Tomica Premium, another brand. Maybe not. Tomica Premium isn't up to par as the Limited Vintage, but it's just a little bit upgrade of their basic stuff. But this is interesting to have a 143 scale opening parts Lamborghini Countach. Very, very cool with opening doors, as you can see. I can do this right here with the spider doors, and then the engine. And look at that thing in there, huh? pretty cool. So that was in there, which I think is awesome. 143 scale Tomica. But how about these things? Now, you saw right at the beginning of the video what happens when I push them down. This is the new Tomica 4D. This is a brand new line, 4 models from Tomica. Here is the box. A lot of details on these that I can't read to you because they are in Japanese. But 2 Nissan GTRs, plus a Toyota Crown patrol car and a Toyota Hi-Medic ambulance. These things are just the coolest. They look like standard Tomica toy models, as you can see with the black GTR, red GTR, and then the ambulance and the police car. But this is what happens when you press down. The engine starts and the car idles. And then when you drive it, I'm turning the microphone around so you can hear this. Should we do another one? Now what happens once you turn them on? They don't turn off until they just sit idle. So this will hit sit idle for about another 10-15 seconds, and then they will turn off, and then we will get to these. Okay. You've heard the 2 Nissan GTRs. Now let's go with the ambulance. Now put it in reverse. Now we'll let that one idle and we'll go with the police car. Now I'm just going to play. Gotta get the ambulance. Yeah! How cool is that? Right? That's Tomica 4D. I'm just gonna keep playing. Bye!